Hey, this is Matthew Gomez with Skallywag Tactical. I want to show you guys some cool stuff here at Blade Show. We're introducing for 2021 one of our new blades. Was called the MD blade. This particular blade has a methodology behind it that's developed by Mike Donvito and Jack Nevels, including with the accompaniment of Skallywag Tactical. There's a lot of training involved in this particular blade. We use it as a 3-finger blade. We can use it with a rhino sheath, is what we refer to as a rhino sheath, with kind of a hook. It hides. This guy comes with a trainer. This guy comes with some cool stuff. We move on to another blade here. This is an aluminum dagger. We do make 2 different variants of this particular blade. This is the aluminum version of it. It's good for yoga pants. It's good for the females. It comes with a single molly sheath that looks like such. They put it in their yoga pants. A lot of LEOs like to carry this as a tertiary option. Slides on in like so. Goes into the pants. Good option here, right?
Beautiful.
Let's also move on to the Guardian. This particular Guardian has a methodology behind it as well. We use this one as a purely offensive weapon, I guess you'd say. Pretty gnarly serrations. This is a D2 model. It's used as a barrel breaching tool. You could actually install it inside your person. Yep. Install it inside your person and use them as a human shield if need be. This was a good military option. Let's move on to, let's go to the Gray's custom side of blades. Okay. Also new for 2021, this is our Kovic model. This particular model is made out of CPM 154. This guy's got a textured carbon fiber grip, which is some pretty cool aerospace technologies. It's an absolutely beautiful blade. We do offer other variants as well. Of course, this one being a burl model. Once again, another beautiful option. Also new for 2021, this is our Gray's Custom Envoy. This was also on CPM 154.
Is that a stag or is that like a faux stag?
This particular thing, this is a mammoth tusk.
Okay.
So that is mammoth tusk on this blade. This is a modern interpretation of a Bowie knife.
Yes.
So it's absolutely beautiful, right?
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. I'll show you another blade. This is our Buntero.
I'm an Asian fan.
Oh,
so I
gotcha.
See the Asian
There is some. There's plenty of Asian influence in this. This is W2, polished to a high polish.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Crackberry, it's got 416 pins, and crackberry. Absolutely beautiful blade, very Japanese, a lot of Japanese influence.
Knife nerds who see this Kasumi finish.
Oh man,
mix into the polish.
Come on line, beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. There's also a tactical variant of this particular blade. This is a micarta handle with a carbon fiber insert, which creates some pretty gnarly grip. You can see the Haman line there as well, in a darker and acid wash finish. Yep. All right. And another thing we got here is this is the engine, right? This engine is in a acid etch finish as well, micarta handles. We do make both a Gray's Custom version with Javen Roberts, but this is Gray's Custom.
Okay.
We do make both a custom version like such and a production version of the same variant for somebody who needs a more economical-minded purchase. Okay. We have that one, and we also have the gentleman's version of the same engine.
Okay.
So acid etch.
Is everything the same on that except for the handle?
Correct. Well, exactly. Except for the handle.
All
Let's see what else. Yeah.
I just happened that I'm a kitchen cutlery guy, so I was just wondering what was going on over here.
Yeah, for 2021, we decided, well, for 2020 and for 2021, we decided to offer a kitchen line of products. It kind of breaks us into that culinary lifestyle where we have individuals that are maybe wanting to try to bridge the gap between a tactical environment and a kitchen environment. It's good for the wives, it's good for the girlfriends.
So people made it a funny point that people use a kitchen knife every day.
Correct.
They don't use tactical knives.
Understood.
All the time, outdoor knives. All the
You're
time.
exactly right.
So you're definitely going to get some use out of this.
Yeah.
So we have a Damascus.
Yeah.
Is this made by your company? Or
Damascus, yeah, we have, yeah, exactly. We've made by our company here. A beautiful blade, once again, and we're actually going to come out with a full kit, right? So we're going to have a full kitchen line for the 2021 Christmas time. So you'll be able to purchase a full entire kitchen kit as well with a block as well.
All right, is there anything else you want to share with us before we go?
I think we're good. I think we've kind of gone over some of the basics.
All right, I do have to point out the elephant in the room. I'd be remiss.
All right, we'll do it, of course. This is the bounty.
Okay.
This particular bounty is absolutely perfectly balanced. This is kind of our modern interpretation of a kukri.
Yes.
We use this particular blade kind of in the woods. I use it for hunting.
Toothpick.
Yeah, toothpick, cheesecake especially.
Yeah.
This is a great cheesecake cutter.
It's good butter knife.
Oh, exactly.
On Sunday dishes.
Exactly. Serrations on the top end to cut through things that may be a little bit more difficult to cut through.
You know, and I'm going to just point out some other stuff since we're here. Like, there are other things that are just the other knives that are behind it that I just wanted to go out. Like, this shortened Tonto K-tip kind of a thing.
This guy, Warncliffe design, yeah.
Definitely seeing original shapes.
Oh, yeah. So this is our dew claw. So our dew claw is kind of famous, and it's been around for pretty much as long as Skallywag has been around.
Okay, so for those of us who don't know your product, this is our first time
Correct.
seeing it.
Yeah, so this is our dew claw. This is one of those blades that an outdoorsman would absolutely love to carry. You can cut rocks, you can cut trees, you can cut vines, and you can cut your
rocks.
And you can cut your onions.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead and check out our Skallywag Tactical YouTube video.
Okay, and the website would be
www.skallywagtactical.com.
Skallywag Tactical.
You could also get us on Instagram at Skallywag Tactical. You can get on Facebook on Skallywag Tactical as well.
And you have YouTube videos?
We've got a YouTube channel as well with Skallywag Tactical.
That's awesome.
So it's all the same.
I'm just gonna hand to some of the products. This is a big company. It makes a lot of different things. This was definitely not a dull moment. We appreciate you taking the time. Thank you so much. Good
Yes,
luck
sir.
with the blade.
Take care. Be
We'll see you
safe.
next year.
Thank you.